Business auto insurance. Why are costs rising? Have you noticed your business auto insurance premiums creeping higher and higher? Well, you're not alone. Across Florida and the country, businesses are seeing significant increases in the cost of insuring their vehicles. But why is this happening, and what can you do about it? We're here to break it down and help you navigate these rising costs. There are several reasons behind the increasing cost of business auto insurance. Number one, more accidents on the road. With more vehicles back on the road, especially in busy states like Florida, the number of accidents is rising. Commercial vehicles, which are used more frequently, are at an even higher risk. Number two, expensive repairs. Modern vehicles are packed with advanced technology. Great for safety, but not so great for repair cost. Features like cameras and sensors make repairs more expensive, driving up insurance claims. Number three, lawsuits and legal costs. Commercial vehicles are often involved in higher cost lawsuits. Rising legal settlements and judgments combined with higher medical costs are making claims more expensive. And number four, natural disasters. Florida businesses are no strangers to hurricanes and floods. Commercial vehicles are particularly vulnerable to weather events, adding risk and the cost to insuring them. Number five, driver shortages and experience. With the shortage of experienced drivers, some businesses are hiring less experienced employees. Unfortunately, this increases the likelihood of accidents, pushing premiums higher. So what can you do to mitigate these costs? While rising costs can't always be avoided, there are steps your business can take to manage them. Number one, train your drivers. Implement regular safety training to reduce risky behaviors and accidents. Number two, use telematics. Technology like telematics can monitor drivers' habits, helping you improve safety and reduce claims. Number three, maintain your fleet. Regular maintenance lowers the chances of breakdowns or accidents, making your vehicle safer and cheaper to insure. Number four, review your coverage annually. Work with an independent agency like Vermost Insurance to ensure your policy fits your needs. We'll compare options from multiple carriers to find the best coverage at the best rate. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we understand that every business is unique. We'll work with you to create a personalized strategy for managing your business insurance costs without compromising the protection you need. Give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call today at 727-748-2886 to schedule a review of your current policy or to explore other options. Business auto insurance doesn't have to break the bank. With the right guidance, you can take steps to control costs while keeping your business protected.